So in today's video tutorial guide, I'll be showing you how you can generate this character right now. In the next few minutes, I'll be showing you how you can generate character like this. As you can see over here, can you see the images, the ones I have generated before? The ones I've generated before. Let me look for the rest down here. Okay, can you see stuff like this? How you can do it right here and this. So, and I won't be showing you alone how you can generate it. I will also be showing you how you can replace this picture, how you can replace these faces with your own face. For example, as you can see, this was the one I generated and this was the one I used my face for. Can you see the difference? This was the first one I generated on the site, and this was the one I replaced with my face. So I'll be showing you into this video how you can do this. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the business of the day. So for us, oh yeah, now the next thing we need to do is to go over to our browser. Go over to our browser, irrespective of what you are using. Just go over and search for Binge AI generator. So can you see Binge AI generator? Just go for it, and when you go for it, we have it over here. So the first option is bring. This is what we'll be using to generate the image. So when you click on it, it's gonna take it right to their home page. If you've not subscribed, if you've not signed up before, it's gonna bring the option that you need to sign up or create accounts with them. So it's a simple process that you can just go ahead with and just do it. So when we are right here now on the Binge home page. So what you need to do next is that you need to explain what you want. That's what we call prompt. The prompt you used to hear about today, a prompt is just simply explaining what you want, what you have conceived in your heart. You need to explain it to this AI generator. So as I have this over here now, I already have my own prompt copied so as to save time. So this is what I have over here. This is what I have over on my here. So can you see I say create a 3D illustration and animation character of a teenage boy wearing a, let me just delete this because of maybe the privacy or stuff. Let me just delete this. Okay, wearing a trending modern clothing, sitting on a social media logo YouTube. And after that, can you see I say the background of the teenage character is mock up what on his YouTube channel with a profile picture of Unique Studios and with a profile picture of what the same character use. So let's, can you see how I has been able to explain this in a simpler way? You can also like model this to create your own. Just pause this video and copy this, just type this, but to save time, so I already have mine. So let me just change it to be, let me say a teenage girl, a teenage girl, a teenage girl. And so when you are done writing your prompt, when you are done explaining everything, just click on this create over here and wait for a few seconds. So what this yellow streak does is that it shows the amount of chances you have daily. I think every day you have 15 or 14. So I've been able to use like 3 or 4 today, so that's why I couldn't is bringing 11. So when you just register, it should bring 15 or 13 on your phone. So let's just wait for it to generate the stuff we've been waiting for. Okay, now can you see that it has generated what I explained to it? Can you see create a 3D illustration and method of a character of a what teenage guy? Can you see the guy over here is like it's kind of what a teenage person on sitting on a social media icon YouTube, as you can see over here. So you can just click on it, click on what it has generated. When you have clicked on it, you can scroll through and look for the one you love. It will always bring in 4 at once. So I'll just go over here. And you see I think I'm good with this. So to save it, just go over to these 3 dots on this right hand side, click on the 3 dots and pause, click on download. It's going to save it without any watermark. So click on look for the next one also, just look for it. And okay, I love this also. I can just download and done. So let's do something wonderful again. After we're done with this, let's look for a boy. It's a boy, a mature boy. Let's start a mature boy wearing or sitting on a Facebook. Let's go for Facebook now. On a Facebook, on a social media logo Facebook. The background of the teenage book character is what on his Facebook profile. On his Facebook profile with a profile name of Unique Studio. So like it's my channel, so just give it something you can model this also, like I said earlier, to create yours. So click on create, and when you click on create, you wait for a few seconds and it's going to bring them. So let's wait for a few seconds for it to load it. All right, so it has done loading what you've created. So I'll just click on it, and when I click on it, so can you see the option it has bring? So it has bring a picture of what we described to it. Can you see that it's bringing the blue app Facebook? Can you see it's sitting on what's on this Facebook stuff? Can you see that? Can you see that the Facebook is beside? So this may not be a perfect stuff, but it's definitely gonna give you something you have been waiting for. So I love this. Let me just save this. Let me download this and save to my phone. So basically I'm done. We are done with generating what we want. So now moving to the part 2 of this video, I'll be showing you how you can replace their faces with your faces, how you can replace their faces with your faces. Okay, now the app will be using to change their faces to your faces or your picture is called Remaker AI stuff. Just go for Remaker AI. So just go for Remaker AI. When you go by it, so it's this first option, Remaker AI over here, and when you click on it, it's going to take you right to your stuff. And see, can you see that what this app does? As can you see how it has been able to change this Robert Downey Jr. to Elon Musk stuff? Can you see what basically what this site does is that it helps you replace face with another face. It helps you replace face with another. Can you see over here also? So now to do ours now, we need to click on what this face swap now. When you click on it, okay, it's gonna load with some time. Okay, here we are now. So I'll just click on this first one. So make sure this one is the original picture, like the picture we generated. I'll be uploading on this first one. So click on it and take it right to my gallery, and I'll bring in one of these picture. Okay, let me bring in this, let me use this. Okay, so already click this, so you brought in, and the second one you need to bring in your own picture. You need to use this to bring in your own picture, your original picture. So click on it and let me go right into my gallery and bring in one of my pictures here. Okay, let me use let me use this picture of mine. So you click on swap. When you click on swap, we'll just wait for a few seconds also for you to do the swapping, and a few seconds it should be done. Okay, the app is done. What it has done, like swapping the faces. Can you see the difference? Let me just show you the difference of what we just did. And this was the one I replaced with one of my pictures, which was my face. So can you see how it has been able to replace it with your own picture? So the reason why is like this second one is not working is because we only use one picture. So let me download this first. Just click on download and bring the notification up here that is downloading. Now to make sure my face show on this second one also, just go to the top right screen of this and go to select these multiple faces. When you select these multiple faces, it's going to load another page right on that site. And so can you see over here, you need to bring in that picture that you want to swap. That one, just bring in the multiple faces picture you want to swap. So I'll go right into my gallery and I'll select the picture, which was the one I selected earlier. Okay, this was the one I selected earlier. Okay, sorry, no, it was a mistake. Let me just bring in it again. So it was the second one. It was this one I used. So just click on this and okay, just bring it down. Okay, I think my data connection is kind of bad now. Okay, so now like it has selected the faces in the picture. So I just click on this first one and bring in my original photo that I want you to replace it with, and I'll go over again to select this my picture down here. Okay, I'll go again to select this my picture, and again click on the second one over here, go over to do the same thing for the second picture. Also select that's my picture. And if you have different picture you want to use at once, you can easily just click them and work on them. So when you are done with that, just abandon the rest because they are not realistic. So just click on this swap, and when you click on swap, let's wait again for it to do its wonder, and we are good to go. As you can see guys, it has been able to replace both pages with my face. Can you see this? Can you see that it's now looking alike with this? So this is basically how you can do this. So when you are done this, just click on what to download. So what this site helps you to do is that you have the privilege of changing your face. If it is one image, you go to just this swap face. If it's one face, you go to this swap face, and if it's multiple faces, go over to this multiple faces and what to replace it. So you just follow every process I've shown you in this video, and you will get right to it. And if you find this video helpful, kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video across the social media platform. There are a lot of people out there that need to see this. So come what to Unique Studios. Let me download mine, and I've downloaded. Thank you for watching.